In 2018, Journeyman Distillery envisioned expanding to a historic factory in Valparaiso, Indiana. The visionary collaboration between Journeyman and Berglund Construction took shape, blending innovation, creativity, and a deep commitment to historical preservation. Berglund's expertise in adaptive reuse and hospitality projects shines in the $40 million transformation of the ANCO factory. This 140,000 square foot marvel, known as the American Factory, is not merely a distillery, it's a dynamic campus, a harmonious blend of history and modern functionality. Berglund's creativity and innovation is found throughout the facility, but the American Factory is more than a distillery and restaurant. It's an experience. Berglund Construction and Journeyman Distillery, a partnership that transcends construction. The American Factory project stands as a living testament to the seamless integration of adaptive reuse, hospitality, and historic preservation. Berglund Construction, building the future, restoring the past.